Today we're going to do a tutorial on PollEverywhere, which is available at PollEverywhere.com. This is an audience response system that is available for teachers and students and audiences to collaborate using audience response technology. It has multiple choice options, free response, true or false polls, clickable images, and Q&A polls. It's available to use with your cell phone to text in your answer, or you can vote by web. It offers real-time live results from any web browser and is available for PowerPoint, Keynote, or even Google Slides. It's also available on the web. It also has a mobile app. So let's get started with the tutorial. First, we're going to sign up at PollEverywhere.com. Next, we'll install software. We'll open up PowerPoint, then we'll log in to PollEverywhere within PowerPoint. We'll insert some question slides from the PollEverywhere menu, and we'll start polling. So first, let's go to PollEverywhere.com. You'll need to sign up for an account, and there are free accounts available. Since I already have an account, I'm just going to log in. You'll want to download the app, and you can do that for PowerPoint or Google Slides. It's also available in Keynote if you have a Mac. Once you've downloaded the app, you're going to minimize this and go ahead and open up PowerPoint. PollEverywhere is now integrated into PowerPoint as part of the top menu. So you're going to select PollEverywhere, then Insert. You're going to select New for a new poll. And you're going to go ahead and ask whatever question you'd like. My question is, who is your favorite superhero? Is it Batman? Superman? Wonder Woman? Or Jessica Jones? Go ahead and hit Insert. Once it goes into PowerPoint, it's going to look like this, but it'll look different when you go into Slideshow. When you go into Slideshow, this is what it's going to look like. You'll ask your audience to respond either by the web, or to sign up to participate in the poll, they need to text ACHCME to 22333. That'll allow them to join the session and start polling. Next, they'll respond A for Superman, B for Batman, C for Wonder Woman, and D for Jessica Jones. So I responded Superman. Let's go ahead and insert a couple of other types of polls. The next question we're going to ask our audience is, what is your favorite color? And for this, I think I'll use a word cloud. So I'm going to go to Open-Ended and select Word Cloud. We'll go ahead and add another type of poll. This time we'll do a true or false. The question we'll ask is, Dr. Parks is a fabulous teacher. And do you think this is true? Or do you think this is false? And go ahead and hit Insert. Again, when you go into the PowerPoint presentation, it's going to load your poll up for you. So what is your favorite color? Since we did a word cloud, everyone can respond with their own favorite color by texting that in. Someone has texted red. Let's see what other favorite colors we have. Blue and pink. When multiple people respond with the same word, that word will get larger, like the word blue just did. That tells us that blue was the most popular color within our audience. Next, Dr. Parks is a fabulous teacher. Let's see who thought this was true or false. And 100% of our audience thought that was true. And that concludes our Poll Everywhere tutorial. I hope you've enjoyed it.